going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Today we've got a good one. We're starting with our quadruped hip circles, bird dogs, 45-degree hip flexors, and then lunge to an airplane to a rotate. You're going to do 10 of each of these. So if it's a single side exercise, that means you're doing 10 per side. So for our quadruped hip circles, we're in a quadruped position. We want to think we're going to make as big of a circle with our knee as we can. We're going to go 5 one way, 5 the other way, and then same thing on the other side. So I'm going to come back and open. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to go into our bird dogs. Remember, on both of those, we're keeping that back flat. Then we're going to come up into our half kneeling hip flexor. We're going to bring the leg out, pointing away at a 45-degree angle. We're going to lean. You can even add a little bit of a reach here. 10 and 10. Then we're going to go into our lunge into a single leg airplane with a rotation. So slow and controlled on these, lots of stability going on here. So I'm going to lunge back, come up, single leg airplane, rotate, rotate, and come back up. That's 1. Back down. 2, 10 per side on those. All right, then for strength, we've got 4 to 5 rounds, depending on how saucy you're feeling. And then we've got 2 little modifiers if you want to make this workout even harder. So you'll see those in the parentheses. First one, prone Y to W. Now you can use a broomstick for this as well. This is a good upper back exercise if we can't be doing pull-ups, chin-ups. All you have is a broomstick. Even if you don't have this, it's okay. So we're going prone, which is just a fancy word for laying on your stomach. We're going to start in that Y position. So we're up, and we're going to pull down to a W. Good. Then 6 push-ups. If you want to make them even harder, you add a little knee drive when you go down. Okay, so modify as you can. If you have to do these on your knees, that's cool. You just want to do regular push-ups, that's cool. If you want to get crazy with it, six. Then our Bulgarian split squat. So if you can, you have something to elevate your back leg on, great. If you don't, just do a normal split squat. You want to make these even harder. We're going to do a 3-second lower, 3-second hold at the bottom, then come right back up, okay? You're not letting your knee touch the floor though. So I'm going to elevate my back leg. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8 of those per leg. Then we're going to come up to a sumo squat, so slightly wider stance, toes flared out. 10 of those. You can add weight to that if you want. Then the last one, alternating V-sit. So we're laying here, coming up. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. 4 to 5 rounds of all those. Remember, rest, rest, rest. Then the finisher today, you're going to set a timer for a minute and you're just going to start doing glute bridges. So it's not a minute hold, just quality glute bridges for a minute. Then you're going to flip over and do your prone T raises for a minute. Those are going to start to burn. Then rest for about 30 seconds. Do it one more time. Have a great Monday.